Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to walk you through an exciting process using Python and OpenAI to generate a complete nutritional analysis report based on the food items you provide. Let's get started by running the script, and I'll explain everything along the way. First, we're importing the necessary libraries. OpenAI for our AI model, Matplotlib and NumPy for generating graphs, JSON for handling data from OpenAI, and Docs for creating a Word document that will contain the final report. Additionally, we're using PIL to handle images and charts in the document. After setting up our OpenAI API key, the script prompts the user to input the meal they've had. The input is then sent to OpenAI's language model, where we ask it to provide the glycemic index, carbohydrate, protein, and fat content for each food item. We receive this information back in a structured JSON format. Now, with the nutritional data in hand, the script calculates key metrics like glycemic load, total carbohydrates, proteins, fats, and average glycemic index. These are essential for understanding the nutritional value of the meal. Next, the script generates a detailed report. This includes a nutritional breakdown of calories, glycemic index, and glycemic load. It also offers advice on meal timing, substitutions for healthier alternatives, and recommendations for physical activity and hydration. Once all the data is processed, we generate a beautiful Word document that summarizes everything. In the document, we have the detailed nutritional content of each item, total calories, glycemic loads, and health recommendations. There's also a section with expert tips on managing blood sugar and improving meal choices. Finally, we create a visual chart showing the glycemic load of each food item and add it to the document to give you a clearer picture of how the meal might impact blood sugar levels. That's it. We now have a professional, structured nutritional analysis report in Word format, ready to share. Thank you for watching, and if you want to see more content like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more.